Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix autoruns when it's not showing startup items on your Windows computer. If autoruns opens but the startup list is empty or missing entries, there are several simple solutions you can try. So let's get started. First, make sure you're running autoruns with administrator privileges. Right-click the autoruns executable and choose Run as administrator. Elevated permissions allow autoruns to access all Windows startup locations and display the complete list of entries. Next, give autoruns a few moments to finish scanning your system. On computers with many startup items, the scan may take a little longer before everything appears in the window. If the list is still incomplete, open the Options menu and check whether Hide Microsoft Entries or Hide Windows Entries is enabled. I mean, these options intentionally hide certain startup items, so disabling them will display the full list again. You should also verify that you're viewing the correct tab. The Everything tab displays all startup entries, while tabs such as Logon, Services, or Scheduled Tasks only show specific categories. If the problem continues, download the latest version of Autoruns from the official Microsoft Sysinternals website and replace the existing files. Updating the application can resolve compatibility issues and fix problems caused by corrupted program files. Finally, restart your computer and launch Autoruns again. If the scan completes successfully, your startup items should now appear normally. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Autoruns when it's not showing startup items. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.